Hey, how's it going, buds and beauties? Welcome to Life of Man, and today I'm gonna unbox, review, and give my true verdict on the Skullcandy Sesh Evo truly wireless earbuds, and it comes at a price under 5,000 rupees. So this is like the second bud that I'm reviewing under 5,000 rupees. The first one was Oppo Enco W51, and it was horrible. I mean, it was having a horrible fit. The music was all right, but yeah, the fit was horrible for me, and I know that a lot of people are facing that. The W51 of Oppo Enco is having a horrible fit. I'm actually one of the lovers of Skullcandy company. The company is really good. It has produced a lot of great headphones over the years, and it has basically a name in the headphone space. And let's see what it has done in the TWS area. Unboxing it as fast as I can, and wow, right off the bat you get a very plasticky packaging, and I'm not liking the packaging a lot. So there is a user guide which is not really required unless you want to see what touch controls it does have. Yeah, this is not required. We get a pretty little USB Type-C cable, and that is good that it has included USB Type-C. But of course, if you have a latest smartphone, you'll have your own USB Type-C cable to charge it. And yep, they have also included two types of earbuds, small and medium ones. I think the large ones are on the earbuds itself. And look what we got here, and wow, this is only Skullcandy can do. Putting the earbuds out of the case and putting the earbuds in a style, because see that the first earbud is not exactly the way the second earbud is put. So basically both the earbuds are put in different directions, and of course the chunky case is outside of the earbuds. The earbuds is outside of the chunky case. First impressions of the case feels very plasticky. I mean, it doesn't have any premium feeling to it. The Oppo Enco W51 case was very royal. This feels a cheap case, but again I have very high hopes for the music that will come from this earbud. And again, there is a charging slot at the back of this case, and there is an orange button at the front. I guess that is for pairing and checking the battery of the case. Now coming on, the showstopper for today is the buds itself. First I have to figure out the way to actually unplug these earbuds from this plastic packaging. And feeling the buds also have that plasticky feeling that the case has. There is nothing premium to be talked about the quality of the buds as well as the case. They are very plasticky. I mean, even if you compare with the Apple AirPods, they are plastic also, but Apple have that premium feeling to it, and the case also has a feeling to it. These don't have that feeling. It's just straight cut plastic that you get in toys. And actually I was having a bit of trouble when I was inserting the earbuds in the case itself, but it's something that you'll get used to it when you start using these on a regular basis. So once you've put the earbuds inside the case for one time and get them outside for the first time, then they will get in the pairing mode itself for the first time, and you'll see this red and blue light blinking, and it means that they are in the pairing mode. The pairing process was very simple, but one thing you have to remember when you are pairing these buds with your phone is that you have to get both the buds outside of the case for pairing, because even if you have one bud out, it will not get paired. If you have both the buds inside the case, it will not get paired. You have to get both the buds outside for them to get paired with your smartphone. Actually, from the fit, I am actually liking the fit a lot. But I think that they're gonna fall apart if I do the shake test. That's for sure. I mean, the fit is good. That there is no doubt in the fit. The fit is a bit weird, but really good. Okay, I'll do the shake test without saying no more. The shake test is coming in 3, 2, 1. Wow, they didn't fall apart. They did not, and that is why I actually like this company so much. They are a class apart, and even in the unboxing that you see that they've put the earbud one the other way, the other way, and they have put the earbuds out of the case. I mean, who does that? Only Skullcandy can do that, right? Now let's talk about the touch controls on the Sesh Evo. Now I'm not gonna go and do every combination of this, because there are so many combination present on this Sesh Evo earbuds. The left earbud, starting from the left earbud, you can power on the earbud from pressing and holding 2 seconds on the left earbud as well as the right earbud, and you can power off the earbud pressing 4 seconds. I mean, that is a weird thing, but I think you'll get used to it when you start using it. Coming on the main ones, that is the track back, press and hold 2 seconds. Track forward, press and hold 2 seconds on the right earbud. That is also a weird combination. Volume down, press twice. Play pause, press once. Answer and end calls, press once. Activate assistant, press 3 times. And EQ mode, the equalizer mode, press 4 times. So you can tweak a lot of things in the equalizer mode. And also these buds are IP55 rated for dust resistance and water resistance. There's also unique feature of these buds is that you can use either of the buds solo. If you lose one, you can use the other one without the lost one. And also there are like 3 types of EQ modes that are present: music, movie, and the podcast mode. So yeah, Skullcandy buds are always packed with features. The buds themselves hold 5 hours of battery life. I don't know what truth is there in this, but again, I'm gonna test this and see if there's actually 5 hours of playback time in the buds. There is a bud tracking app in the Play Store that is known as the Tile, which works with these earbuds, and I'm actually really excited to see how this bud tracking actually works. So I'm gonna just jump into the app itself. So first and foremost, you have to make an account in this app, enable Bluetooth and location permissions, and you have to permit location all the time. So one by one is asking the right earbud and then the left earbud to pair with the app itself and signify the app and the touch controls. So first it will find the earbud and then it will say that you have to touch the earbud on the sensitive area, and you'll touch it and it will pair with the app. So as you can see, it's activating the right earbud and it is activated and it's connected with the Tile app. The same process goes for the left earbud as well. And now guys, check this out. It produces this bird sound when you have clicked on the left earbud, and it produces these bird sound on the left earbud, and if you press on the right earbud, it will produce the sound on the right earbud, and it actually is very useful in the nearby area. Whoa! I mean, I'm playing this track and this track has bass, treble, it has amazing sound. If you play this track on Spotify, of course I'm not gonna play it here, I'm gonna get a copyright claim. Come over, it's an amazing track. I love this track. It's like on my top of my light songs playlist. And whoa, I am a bit blown away by the quality of this Skullcandy Sesh Evo. But why am I blown away? This is what Skullcandy is all about. This sound quality is really nice, man. Under 5k, I think. What I've tried, it beats Oppo & Co. just like that, and it has good highs, it has good lows. The highs can be enhanced a little bit more, but the mids are good, the lows are good, the treble is good, the bass can be improved a bit. I'm gonna play the Come Over again at 90% volume. These are awesome. Okay, my camera keeps coming down. I mean, camera, don't come over at me. I'm playing the song only, okay? So yeah, I don't know if you can hear the sound. I don't think you can hear the sound from the earbuds, but these are so good. It is also nice noise cancelling. I haven't tried them in my gym, but yeah, I think I'm gonna try them today. These are awesome buds. I mean, under 5,000, I think they are the best ever. I mean, Skullcandy is a company that produces amazing headphones, amazing sound quality from their headphones. I'm gonna play another track right now. Let's see what it can do with a heavy bass track. It's Magenta Rhythm from DJ Snake. Okay, Yep. Okay. Camera, please stay over. Don't come over at me. Please. So the bass can be improved a bit. I am for sure the bass can be improved, but overall these are the best earbuds that I have tried. I have tried Oppo & Co W51 in this range, and the second one is this. I recommend them truly. Like, I'll rate it 9 out of 10 because it is lacking a little bit in bass and it is lacking a little bit in the highs tempos, but overall these are awesome. You can take it anywhere, and yeah, the build quality is a bit plasticky. I mean, not as good as it was in the Oppo & Co. As you can see, it is a bit plasticky, but man, Skullcandy do things so good. I mean, so good, so unique. They have been doing things uniquely and, you know, being so good in this business from so long. And yeah, their build is not meant to be awesome, but their music is meant to be awesome. Also, I think that you can tweak the bass from the equalizer, and I think these will make an awesome pair of earbuds. And for sure, if you want to buy anything under 5,000 rupees, you can go for Skullcandy Sesh Evo without even blinking an eye. These are so good. Skullcandies are good. The company is good and they have produced a good TWS. The build can be improved, the bass can be improved, the highs can be improved, but apart from that, overall they are good. They are really good. And yep, that's it for this video. Hope you like this unboxing review and my verdict on these Sesh Evo. For sure you can buy them, and yeah, subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel videos and tech content. I'll be back in next video. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands, bro.